The flooring is going in, so all that's left in this room, light cap, paint is done. Just got to put the flooring in and the baseboard. We picked like a light modern gray color for the flooring. Fireplace is in. We still have to put trim around the fireplace. So as you can see, this fireplace that I bought was on sale at Amazon, and I got it for really cheap. I think like 150 bucks or something. And don't make the same mistake I made. Usually, so when we put these fireplaces in our flips, what we usually do is, there's usually 3 vents. There's a vent right here, a vent right here, and a vent over here. What that means is that you can put this flush to the top and the 4 corners, and what happens is the vent over here and the vent on the outside are what is the inlet, and this is the heat that comes out. Those are usually 300 bucks, and this was 150, but now I found out why it's $150. $150 because there's no vents over here. The only vent is up here for the inlet, so you have to leave a space here. So we're gonna put trim around here. Obviously under here we put brick. So we're gonna put trim around here, make it look good, so no worries about that. Over here, everything is the same. We're gonna just take a peek, but just clean this up, which is ready for floor. Ready for floor. This needs flooring, and we can put the sink back and clean up. Flooring's going in, and then we put the handlebars on the kitchen counter. Look how nicely that comes together with the black lines, with the black cabinet handles. It comes together absolutely stunning. Still waiting on stove and fridge, but we got the microwave, so looking good. So let me know what you guys think. It's always like, it takes 2 days to tidy up everything, but once everything's all tidied up and ready to go, like small things like flooring, you'll put the flooring in, but it takes like another day for baseboards, touch up paint on the cabinets.